Good morning. Now, I've seen recently on news feeds and YouTube feeds, things like that, where some of the large automobile executives, I think the CEO of Ford specifically, said that working on my own vehicle, I could possibly kill myself because I worked on it. Well, if you watched the video where I was getting my front differential on my Trailblazer in, yeah, if I dropped that vehicle off its jack stands, drop the car on myself, yeah, I could have hurt myself. If I dropped that front differential on myself, I could hurt myself. And yeah, you heard some of my choice words when it just would not go up into that small cavity that it fits in. Now, I'm in my Suburban today, trying to what is the phrase? Yeah, spread the wear and tear over my multiple vehicles so that I don't put excessive wear and tear on any one vehicle, which, recently has been my daughter's Ford Fiesta, because the Trailblazer was not reliable enough to drive back and forth to work. And this vehicle, my stepdaughter was using. And then the Isuzu that my son was using, well, he got his first new to him car, used car obviously, but I got the Isuzu back. Now the stepdaughter is driving it instead of the Suburban, which is why I'm driving the Suburban to work this week. Next week it'll probably be the Ford. Tried to spread the wear and tear. Sorry, sunlight is in my eyes because the sun's coming up. It's just after 6 a.m. But yeah, I could have seriously injured myself if I knocked the car off the jack stands, or if I dropped that front differential directly onto myself. It could have been rather painful. If I dropped the car on myself, yeah, it could have led to my death. But not just because I was repairing my vehicle myself. So I think they're full of shit. Now, what I did to this Trailblazer, where I basically refreshed the entire front suspension, is what I'll be doing on this Suburban and on my Isuzu. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to actually replace the upper and lower control arms, or if I'm just going to replace the bushings on the upper and lower control arms. Excuse me. Now, this one, the sway bar, sway bar on the front end, I definitely have to replace the bushings on, because I have a power steering fluid leak, I have an oil pan leak. Yes, these are things I'm going to be doing, as well as the front suspension. But dropping the front differential in this vehicle will be a lot easier than it was on the Trailblazer, because this one actually rests under the oil pan, not through the oil pan. Yep, there went a bird. Sorry for the flinch. I try not to hit animals if I can avoid it. Anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful day. I gotta get in here and go pick the milk up. You have a great day. Bye now.